Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 of my favorite hair oils, and these are the oils I use for keeping my hair shiny, for hair growth, for scalp health, and all of the things in between. I'm really excited for this video. I don't think I have any like hair oil videos on my channel, like specifically like my favorite ones. Let's just get right into it. And a little disclaimer, sorry the quality of this video is a little bit different. I decided to film on my phone just because I felt like my camera was just looking a little weird. But I don't know, I think my phone looks kind of good. All right, but yeah, whatever. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, so hair oil is so important in your hair health and early hair journey, especially for people that have like chemically processed hair like me. Like my hair is blonde. This is my natural hair color. It's pretty dark, but yeah, I bleach my hair, so it's really important for me to take care of my hair and do everything that I can to seal the moisture in, make my hair shiny, and to help my hair grow. 5 of my favorite hair oils in no specific order. Yeah, so first I'm going to start with this baby right here. This is the Camille Rose Cacao Nibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum. So even though it says serum, it's more of like an oil. I would say it's like an oil. So I use this pretty often. I really like it. This is my like 3rd bottle. Only thing I could say is it does like the cap like leaks a little bit, so I wouldn't lay it down at all or like put it in a drawer because I have had like a whole bottle leak out in my drawer. It has a Ayurvedic, Brahmi, and Amla oils. I don't really know how to pronounce these things that are in it, but it really works. And I love how it has this tip on it. You just like twist this, and then you could like put it direct. Let me close it before I do that. So you would just open it and you just go like this and put it directly in your scalp. And this is really good also if you have braids, like box braids, knotless braids, cornrows, anything like that, because you can really like get in those braids and put oil on your scalp. So the way I use this is, my hair is like really old. I like to use this with a mixture of the Jamaican black castor oil, which we're going to get into later. And I put this on my scalp and I just massage it in. And I feel like this really helps with combat hair thinning and with hair breakage. So not only do I put it on my scalp, I put it in my hands and I rub it down, just because, like I said, my hair is bleached, so I am prone to have like a lot of hair breakage because my hair is kind of dry, kind of dead, just because I bleached it. So yeah, I like to bring it down and make sure it covers like all of my hair. Since I've been using this, I can definitely tell a difference. Like it's really thin. It's like ice, you can see like dripping down my finger. It's really thin, so let's put some in my hair right now. And it does add moisture, but I don't really like wear it out besides the day before I wash my hair, just because it does have a smell. I can't really describe the smell, but it does have a smell, so that's like a big reason why. But yeah, I just like to use it the night before I wash my hair. So going into what I use that with, I like to pair that with the Jamaican black castor oil. So this is the one I use. It's the OK Jamaican black castor oil brand in the original dark. Sorry guys, there's my hair all over it. So this is like a thicker oil. It is like dripping down, but it's way stickier than the Camille Rose oil. So this I would definitely not really put on my hair that often. And then if I do use this, I have to make sure I clarify my hair after, just because I want to make sure it's all rinsed out. So let me rinse my hand off real quick. So yeah, Jamaican black castor oil, even though I said there's no order, it might be my favorite just because I feel like it really has helped my hair growth. Like this is the #1 oil for me that's helped me grow my hair. Like I was able to grow it down like below my boobs, so it grew pretty long. And if you guys are like familiar with my channel, I did a big top a while ago. I was able to grow my hair back so fast. And it's because I use Jamaican black castor oil a lot, like not too much to where like it's over clogging my pores, but I did use it a lot. And I feel like this is her, okay? Instead of him, no, this is her. Like I love Jamaican black castor oil. So I think everyone needs to get this for sure. This and then the Camille Rose are like, you need it, okay? Next 2 are the sunflower oil. I do have a video of this on my channel. Sunflower oil. I think this isn't as common as the other oils that I've already talked about. So I use this more for like day 2 hair, but it's looking a little dry. I would just pour some of this in my hair and just run it through, and then I'll be good to go. Like I would be fine going out, keeping this in my hair, reapplying it in my hair, because it's not a heavy oil. It's really thin, and it doesn't really have a smell. So let me try to show you guys this one. Like it's very watery. Like, can you guys see that? It's really watery. pretty much no smell. And I get mine on Amazon. I'll have all of these linked down below, honestly, with my like link or whatever. But yeah, I really love sunflower oil, and I feel like it makes your hair so shiny, and it helps with split ends too. Like it helps like make them not as noticeable. Like when my hair was straight, I straightened it not long ago for my birthday. I put this on my hair because I had like little flyaways, which I wasn't really, well, this is like not really flyaway, but like just like all the little hair sticking up, and I put some sunflower oil on it, and they all nowhere to be seen. Okay, so sunflower oil lit, and like I said, like I feel like it's not really talked about, and like not a lot of people know about it, but I would make sure to get the 100% pure sunflower oil, because there is like other sunflower oils you can get, like the cooking one, but just make sure it's like the pure sunflower oil. Speaking of cooking oils, I do use avocado oil. I love avocados themselves, but avocado oil, so good for your hair, okay? And I do use the cooking one, so it is 100% pure avocado oil. So just make sure any of these oils you get, the Jamaican black castor oil, sunflower oil, or the avocado oil, just make sure it's the purest one you could find. So yeah, I did get this at Target, it's the Target brand, and you can see it's all the way down here. So I do use it a lot. Pretty much same thing with the Jamaican black castor oil. If I don't feel like using that, I will use the avocado oil, pretty much the same way. I'll even mix those two together, put it all throughout my hair, and then put my hair in like a shower cap or a literally just get like a plastic bag, like a grocery plastic bag, and just put that over my head and just let my hair sit. And sit for like an hour or two, and then go take a shower and clarify and wash my hair. I feel like this is really good for a hot oil treatment as well. Like you could literally just heat it up in the microwave. I do want to do like a hot oil treatment video, so let me know down below if you guys would like to see that, because I do I know I have the heat cap video, but I have a new method of doing it now. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. I really like it that my hair is always really nice after I wash it. And I feel like even though I clarify my hair is never like really dry or like brittle after. So I feel like that really helps. So those are my top 4 hair oils. We got avocado oil, sunflower oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and then the Camille Rose, cacao nibs, and honey. And then I do want to mention the miel oil that is like viral on TikTok right now. I did have it, I ran out, and I literally was gonna buy it again. Not only for this video, but for me to use it, but it's literally sold out everywhere. So I'm gonna put a picture of this on the screen. I do use this. I would leave this in my hair, like I would just apply it in my hair at night, day 1, day 2, day 3 of my hair, and then just leave it in and then wash it out whenever I wash my hair. But I ran out, and like I said, it's sold out, so honorable mention to that. But yeah, these are the hair oils that have really brought my hair care to the next level. I feel like have helped me keep my volume, keep my curls, even though I do bleach my hair. I just straightened my hair and I have literally no heat damage. Like, yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like I said, go ahead, comment down below if you would like to see the what's it called, hot oil treatment video, and like how I do it now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, and like, comment, all that. Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it, did I